And this is the second sum from exercise 2.3. If x is congruent to 13 modulo 17, then 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number modulo 17? So, let me first express this given sentence in the simpler form. So, x is congruent to 13 mod 17. Okay, so it is 13 mod 17. Okay, then 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number? So next 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number? We don't know that number, we want to find out. So I'll name that as r. I'll name that number as r mod, again which number? Modulo 17. So these are the two given forms. So I'll name this as first and second equation. This is what is given. Okay, so from this we want to find out the value of x, right? So then with the help of the x we can find out to which number it is congruent. Okay, so from first equation, take the first equation. X is congruent to 13 mod 17. So already I have said you by Euclid's division algorithm, division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. So here a is x is equal to what is b is the divisor 17. So 17q plus the remainder is 13. Okay, so now x, when you bring this 13 to this side, it will come as minus 13. So 17 into q, it will be coming as divided by 17, that is equal to q. So it is in the form of there is some number x. When we minus 13 from that number, that number will be divided by 17. So it is very easy to find out because let me 17 ones are 17. So let me find out whether it is going to get 17 here. So if I take 30 minus 13 is 30 minus 13 is 17. Yeah, 30 minus 13 is 17. 17 is divisible by 17, right? 17 ones are. So when x takes the value 30, it is divisible by 17. So therefore x is equal to 30. So we found out what is x. In the first equation we found out what is x value, this value. So next what is given is, they have asked us to find out 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number. So this is what is the question, which number. So 7x minus 3 is congruent to this which number. Okay, this r only we want to find out. So in order to find out that, substitute x is equal to 30 in the second equation. So here in the place of x, you substitute this value 30. So 7 into 30 minus 3 is congruent to r mod 17. Okay. So 7 into 30 is 210. 7 3s are 21. So write this 0 as it is. 210 minus 3 is congruent to r mod 17. Okay, so 210 minus 3 is what? 207. 207 is congruent to r mod 17. So now again you write this by Euclid's division lemma. By Euclid's division lemma, how will you write? A is equal to bq plus r. Here what is a is 207 is equal to what is b? The divisor is b, right? So 17 q plus, in the place of r you write the same r we have. Okay, so this r value only we need to find out, right? So by using division algorithm itself we can find out, right? So 207, how many times it is divisible by 17 table, and what is the remainder you are going to get, you check and see. Okay, so Divide 207 by 17 and check. 17 ones are 17, 3's take this 7 down, 17 twos are 34, balance is 3, remainder is 3. So how many times? 12 times. So 207 is equal to 17 into quotient is 12 plus remainder is 3. Okay, because we want to find out the remainder, right? So in the form of division algorithm itself, we can find out the remainder. So in the place of r, what we have? We have 3. Therefore, r is equal to, remainder is equal to 3. This is the answer. So what will you write at the last? Therefore, from the question you have to take and write. Therefore, x minus 3 is congruent to 3 modulo 17. This is the answer. 3 modulo 17.